this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Hello and welcome viewers to another great day, and today I'm going to show you a quick trick to remove this kind of stains from the skin in Photoshop. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So what I want you to do right now is to import the picture, right? Come down here, click on this icon, and let's create a hue and saturation. Voila. So what I want you to do is make sure the hand is selected and pick up the color we want to remove. Okay, just like the other previous tutorial on how to change colors of a cloth, blah blah blah, you know. So what I want you to do is just send this to 100 and saturation to 100, and now play with the figures down here, the slider. Okay, so let's come somewhere around 3, 4. Let's play around these numbers. I think 350 is okay. This place too is okay. Let's play with this too as well. Now we are making sure the skin will not be affected. We just want this side. Okay. I think this is okay now. I think it's okay now. So what I want you to do is to bring back this to 0. 0, and this to back to it. 0. Now I want you to play around with these two sliders to make sure this match with the skin. So let's bring the saturation back down. Now look at what is happening. Look at the magic. Let's say negative 2020, and let's try to increase the hue a bit. Whoa, just look at what is happening. Now we remove the stain. Now what I want you to do is, now you could see here there's quite some other stains right there. Don't worry about that, we'll come to that. So let's click, and what I want you to do is just hit Control Command to invert this. Make sure your brush tool is selected. Make sure your background is selected. Decrease the bright size a bit. And start to pin. Okay, let's look at this. It's just wonderful. Just remove the stain from the skin. Now, this is what we need to move as well. So, because the background is already gray, we create another hue and saturation. And this time we just bring down the saturation down like here. Okay, now click on that. Make sure that this layer is selected. Control Command I to invert it. Make sure your foreground is white. Your brush is selected. And start to put it in outside. Let's look at this. We just remove what? The stains. It's quite simple. So this is before, and this is after. Let's look at the magic. So this is how to remove stains from the skin or in the shirt or in the cloth in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Enjoy and be creative, and see you in our next tutorial. Stay safe and bye bye.